Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today we are making oven-baked chicken tikka skewers. Juicy, smoky and packed with flavor. No grill needed, just your oven and a few easy steps. Simply marinate the chicken, thread into the skewers, bake to perfection and finish with a quick broil for that irresistible smoky touch. A restaurant-style tikka made right at home for any occasion. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs, wash them thoroughly and cut them into medium-sized pieces about 2 to 2.5 inches each. Once it's ready, place the chicken in a large bowl. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Add a juice of half lemon, add 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh tomato puree. Next add 1 teaspoon of roasted besan or roasted gram flour, half a teaspoon of red hot chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of each of cumin and coriander powder. Also add a quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Crumble in 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. 2 heaping tablespoons of thick hung curd. Finally, sprinkle in a few finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. If you like, add in a pinch of red tandoori food color. This step is optional. Mix everything thoroughly so that each piece of chicken is well coated with the marinade. Cover the bowl with a cling wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. For the best results, marinate it overnight to allow the chicken to soak up all those wonderful flavors. Our chicken is now well marinated, and before we put it on skewers, let's add the tandoor-style smoky flavor. Heat a charcoal piece on the stove till red hot. Place it in a small bowl and set it inside the marinated chicken. Add a teaspoon of ghee or butter on the top. It will release smoke instantly. Cover the bowl to trap the flavors. Let it rest for 7 to 8 minutes. Remove the charcoal. Now the chicken is perfectly infused with that tandoor-style smoky aroma and ready for the next step. Quickly grease the rack and the skewers. Give the chicken a good mix, then start threading the pieces. I'm using 2 bamboo skewers together for extra support. Add the chicken one by one until you have a nice even stack. Repeat the process for the remaining chicken, then place all the skewers on the oven rack. Bake the chicken in preheated oven at 250 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip the chicken and continue baking for another 10 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, let's quickly prepare the green chutney. It is the perfect match for tikka, and honestly, the dish feels incomplete without it. In a blender jar, add 4 green chilies. You can adjust the spice level as per your taste. a bunch of fresh coriander, a bunch of fresh mint leaves, a little salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. Cover the jar and blend everything until smooth. That's it, the chutney is perfectly blended and ready. Now let's check on the chicken, it's almost done. Brush some melted butter over the skewers. Flip them and apply butter on the other side as well. For the final touch, place them back in the oven and broil for about 3 minutes on each side. This gives that perfect char and smoky flavor just like a tandoor. I'm pairing my chicken tikka skewers with soft garlic naan today, but you can enjoy them with green chutney or anything you love on the side. Pour the green chutney that we made earlier in a small bowl. Add some thinly sliced onions. Place the naan on a plate. A slice of lemon and a fresh salad. I love pairing greens with chicken. For this salad, I've used fresh lettuce leaves, iceberg crunchy cucumber cubes, and pickled onions. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. This simple salad goes perfectly with our chicken tikka skewers. Finally, bring in the chicken tikka skewers. Brush them with melted butter. Squeeze over some lemon juice. And sprinkle with freshly chopped coriander, and that is it. Our chicken tikka skewers are ready to enjoy. Serve them just as they are with mint chutney or turn them into wrap. If you want to make a wrap, grab a naan, fill it with tikka, chutney, onions, pickled onions, and some fresh greens. Roll it up and enjoy every bite. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite way to enjoy chicken tikka. If you are new here, don't miss out on my other delicious recipes. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the next one on Gags Kitchen.